So I have been doing makeup and shoots since morning, and this is how my makeup looks now, and it is almost midnight, and I'm going to just do a touch up of my makeup so that it looks good because I have a few videos to shoot. So this is how I'm going to start. I have used just just a lighter shade, and just going to apply here and going to blend it. So you can also use a blotting paper, which I am nowhere to you know find actually. So you can actually remove the excess oil, and you can see how my T-zone and my cheeks goes become so oily. So all I'm going to do is just blend it, but I would suggest you that if you have a blotting paper, definitely remove the excess oil, and just I'm going to blend it really properly. If you are feeling like more patchy on the face and you are unable to blend your concealer just like mine, so all I like to use is a setting spray. Going to set this for a while, and then I'm going to blend it, and it is going to do wonders. Definitely use a fan if you have. This is very helpful, especially doing makeup, and you can take it anywhere. While this completely dries off so that I can blend it, I am going to apply a generous amount of Vaseline because my lips feel very dry and I don't want to just apply another layer of lipstick and it feels horrible. So what I like to do is just apply a generous amount, and if it's possible I just remove it and reapply. But if you cannot, obviously you can reapply your lipstick. What I like to do is just apply a generous amount and maybe just remove the excess, and it also removes the particles that you were having of the food that you ate. And yeah, see, there is still a little tint left, but my lips are still very dry, so I'm going to apply another layer of Vaseline, and feels very weird and heavy on your lips if you reapply your lipstick. So yeah, it's just the tint, so I'm going to apply another layer. Yeah, you can definitely use other things, but this is how I make sure that one layer is removed with the Vaseline, which was feeling very heavy, dry, and had food particles. Let this Vaseline stay for a while I blend my concealer. So I want to tell you, in some cases the base and the skin is such that you cannot reapply a cream product because we have already set the base, but I set it very lightly and I was not doing a very heavy base, so I could do that. But you can obviously use a very nice coverage compact just to conceal your darker areas. My blush looks pretty much good, but since I have applied a concealer, so I am just going to blend it again so that it looks very even toned and it does not separate, so that my concealer blends in really well with the blush. So again, I'm just going to set it with a powder, loose powder. As I told you, you can definitely go in with a compact instead of a concealer, but should be a little brighter or just your same skin color, which is going to look more natural. We are just going to add in some more blush. And let me tell you, the blush that I'm adding is way too much, but I'm only doing so that it's visible on the camera. You don't have to do that much of blush in real life, or people will think that you are a clown. Okay, so I just like to do this just to refresh my eyeshadow and blush, and that is pretty much it. I think I'm just going to go in with the eye details and then we are going to apply lipstick. I have refreshed my white eyeliner, white kajal, and now I'm going to just add in some glitter in the inner corners. Let me show you. It could be more precise, but I think that's enough. And mascara is nowhere visible. Let's see if I want to add mascara. I think it's not visible. I need to add it. So basically, since I'm at home, I can do this, but whatever is in emergency kit, you can, use and reapply it. So here I'm going to apply a mascara and redo all my eyelid makeup and all that stuff. But this is completely optional. But yes, with mascara, it looks better. I'm just going to curl it and it's going to regain its confidence or whatever. It's, actual purpose. And I actually, saw this hack somewhere that after applying the mascara, you should curl this and it looks so much better. But it is, I think, not very great for your eyelashes. But anyhow, I am doing this for the first time. Oh, looks quite good. For the eyelids, I just blended it. I'm going to apply the eyeshadow, the glitter eyeshadow that I had before. And honestly, I just love the gloss, the Vaseline lips. I can leave it like that also. I'm just going to remove the excess. So this is how I like to do. And remove so much. And now all I can do is line it before and then fill it. This is basically I'm doing my makeup all over. Like I refreshed every part, but you don't have to do it. All you can do is just reapply your lipstick, reapply the compact, and you're good to go. So actually this is basically a lipstick that is almost finished, which is actually very pigmented, but it looks so good that I'm going to apply this, and I like the pigment that is left. Like the intensity is perfect. Of course, in the end, I am going to use this blue kajal beneath my white kajal just to give that Barbie effect. And OMG, I can't believe I did not plan this at all, and this is literally giving the Barbie makeup vibes. So I would say this is the Barbie makeup tutorial, not the retouch up one, because it looks so good. And yeah guys, this is my final look and it looks so much like a Barbie look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.